Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Vijay, and today in this new lecture, I am going to teach you how we can auto-adjust the width of a column. As you can see here, name, father name, city, and contact number are written and they have been automatically adjusted. Now first, I typed item name here. So as soon as I typed item name, you can see it is automatically adjusting. For example, if I type a registration number here, you can see it is automatically adjusting. So today we are going to learn how to adjust it automatically. So what you need to do for this is, first of all, open the sheet on which you want to use auto adjustment. For example, I have inserted sheet number 4 here. Now, on the tab of this sheet, you need to right click. After right clicking, you will click on View Code. As soon as you click on View Code, you will enter the Visual Basic application. Here, you only need to type a single line of code. This code will hardly be 4 words long. Here, you need to click on the drop-down and then select Worksheet. Then between private and end, you need to click here. After clicking, here we will type cells.entire. We will type entire column here. See, as we are writing entire column here, it gets highlighted below. If you use the tab key, it will be added. Then type dot. After that, you will write AutoFit here. As soon as we write AutoFit, you can see that AutoFit is now highlighted here. Use the tab key, and after that, you need to close it from here. Now after this, see, we are going to increase its zoom, so you can increase the zoom from here so that you can clearly see whether the command you applied is actually working or not. Here we select the entire cell, or after that we select all the cells where you want to add this data. I am applying an all border to this so that you can clearly see whether this command is actually working or not. Now, for example, when I type SR number here, see, it automatically adjusts. When I typed name, it automatically adjusted. Here, when I type father name, it automatically adjusts. If I enter contact number here, it automatically adjusts. If we write cell number here, it automatically adjusts. So see how easily we can use AutoFit here. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how to auto adjust columns in MS Excel. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.